Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to create a front-end application which is connected to backend table, which is MS SQL. And if you give any values, like if you enter the form, like if you wanted to create a form, when the form is filled, then that should be saved in the backend table. So this kind of application you wanted to build with LLM, so with ChatGPT. It's very simple. Just follow these instructions. First of all, we'll ask LLM to give the basic coding of it. We should not ask LLM completely at the beginning. We have to tell it step by step. Okay, so initially we will create a front-end and back-end application using Python. This server you can give from here. You have to click on this one, copy this, and use Windows authentication. Give me code for. Okay, so it is giving some prerequisite, and we have the SQL table here, the Flask application code, and we also have some HTML code. Right, so this is enough. First of all, we have to install this one. This is already installed on my system, so I will not install it again. This is a SQL table. Go here and we'll just paste this one. We have to run each one separately. So first of all, we are creating a database. Now you are using this database. Okay, in that we are creating this simple table. Now if I do select start from attendance home F5, so it is giving like this. Okay, this is fine. Now we are using a Flask application. So for this, what I will do is, first of all, I will go to this I'll close this VS Code. I'll create a new folder which is attendance. Now I will open this VS Code. What we will do is, we will just open this attendance in VS Code. Okay, done. Now what we have to do, we have to create a Python, okay, which is app.py. Paste it here. Okay, we will just copy this one HTML. What it is telling is we have to paste it in templates / index.html. So we have to create one folder which is templates index.html. Okay, we will just paste this one HTML page. That's it. It is done. Just save this HTML, save this Python code, and close this one. Just need to go to terminal, new terminal, Python app.py. Okay, just need to run this Python code. Let me see, run it again. Why it is not happening, we'll see, or else we'll run it from here. Let's see what happens. Okay, sorry, it is running from the other PowerShell, so that's why I think it is not showing. We have this run button here. Just click on this one. Still it is not running. Don't know why. Just copy this one, paste again here. Let's run it. Let's see whether any other application is open. No. We will debug it once again, which is app.py, which is index.html. That is also correct. Okay, this one only we are doing, but it is not coming. Okay, we'll just tell him that. Okay, this one is missing here actually. Okay, so that's the reason. That's what I was wondering. Okay, now we will do here something like app.py. Now it is getting run. Okay, just need to click on this one, get open. See, this is the attendance form which is created now. EMP001. Just select today's date, click on leave or submit. Okay, this attendance record is inserted successfully. Now if you go to this database and execute this one, see, it is executed. Okay, now if I want to do EMP001, today's date on present and submit, so what happens, we will see. I think it will create a new record. So the last one will be the latest update. So like that we can do it, but initially this will be the basic coding. So after this you can do many things. So ChatGPT itself will ask for something like, you see, add a page to view records. Okay, enable CSV. So these two things you can just copy and paste it here, and we'll also create this one. Let's see. So now it is asking to create one template is already there. Just one static we have to update. Is static. Okay, remaining all okay. So now this updated app.py, just need to copy this one. So Control A, paste templates, and templates we have to do this login is paste here. Okay, in templates we have to do dashboard.html. This also will paste it here. And we have got upload. This also will paste it here. See, it has given the username and password, admin and admin 123. Okay, we will save all these things. Just rerun this one. Okay, let's see, admin 123. So now it got logged in. Now if you see, two records are there. You don't need to go to this database and check. Just we have this upload CSV and logout option. Okay, the CSV structure also given here. To copy open Excel, paste it here, get comma, next, and fill. Okay, this is the sample file which they have given. So do this for 25 people today. So we'll update yesterday's thing for everyone. Put this present action is there, right? So this one will copy and we will paste it. Okay. Last one will be absent again. So this one we have to save it. I'll just save it on my desktop. This attendance upload and save. Now you can go here to your application. Just click on this CSV upload. Yeah, click on this one, go to desktop, use your file, click on upload. Okay. Now what we are giving is CSV error iterator should be return strings. Okay, so we will close this one, this file. Update again, we'll choose it. The file should be open in text document. Just need to copy this one, go here, paste it here, and upload your CSV file, which is this one. So what is this? This is app in app.py. We have to give this one. So we will go to app.py. We'll check whether we have that method in this or not. This ends with CSV, which is correct. So we don't have this part. Okay. So what we can do is we can just copy till here. Okay, till here we have to delete. Just need to paste this one, right? This, I think this one is missing. No, we have to do like this till here. So tab. Okay, now it is corrected. Let's run it again. Now upload this file. Click on upload. It's asking for ID or IO, which is IO. Let's copy this one and paste it here. So we forgot to import this one IO. That's what it is telling. As we are doing completely with LLM, so I wanted to show every step in LLM. That's why we are not debugging the code. Click on upload. So now it is telling that the connection has been closed. Okay. So for this, I think the date string should be different actually. Returns upload. So this one has to be like text. Convert this one to y. Okay. We'll delete this one and we'll save it and close it. Now again, we'll go to our coding. Click on upload. See, now it got uploaded. Now if you go here, you run this one, then that data you can show, or you can see here also. Okay, this way we will connect the front end with back end. So you can go through this code, you can debug it, you can give your server details, and you can just run it, and automatically it will get stored to your SQL database. Okay, so just now how we have did the debugs and also all those things stuff we have to do. It is not like completely LLM will do. So some manual intervention should be there at the initial stage. Once it is working, then it will work correctly. Okay, so click on logged out. It will logged out. Admin 1 2 3. See here, you can ask LLM to provide a export function also, so that it will create an export button here, so the data will get exported. And the date functions also you can ask. So all those things you can ask and get it implemented through this one LLM. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.